All right, so quiz review. If you look through here, and I would like you to, and it doesn't have to be on this one, but one of them, the first page, okay, is just simplifying. I don't know how to spell. Simplifying, okay, so it's gonna be just the negatives and the zeros, okay? So just moving the negatives and the zeros. So you guys can use these on your test. So I would at least take very good notes on at least one of the worksheets, right? And then you can use that one for your test because they're all gonna look the same after this, okay? So if that wants to be this one while I'm here, then do this one, okay? But at least one of them, take really good notes. So that's all we're doing is the negatives and the zeros. So does this one need anything done to it? No, so we just circle it. It's already done. There's no negatives, there's no zeros. Okay, what about 3?
Yes.
Yeah, what needs to happen? Oh yeah, huh?
It's a negative.
It's a negative. Where do negatives go?
Bottom.
To the bottom. Okay, so it's going to be 1 over 4 squared. Okay, what about 5?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's negatives. Okay, so it needs to go to the bottom. 1 over m to the 3. You writing? Okay, 7. We have negatives. Where does the 3 go? Does it need moved? No, it stays on top. What about n to the 3rd?
Bottom.
Goes to the bottom. Okay, look at 9. Where's the 2 go?
Top.
Top, x to the positive 4.
Top.
Y to the negative 1.
Bottom.
Bottom. Okay, just go through them piece by piece and look at it. Say, well, where does this one need to go? All right, go to the next page. Okay, the next page is all multiplication rule. Okay, so write yourself some notes up here. This is the multiply rule. How can we tell that it's a multiplication problem? It has the dot. So somewhere on here, draw yourself a dot, okay? This is the multiplication rule. Okay, so, and this one is a little bit funky because the rules change a little bit for numbers and letters, okay? But essentially, you're going to be adding the littles. And we're going to be adding the littles. Where there's gets a discrepancy is the bigs. So if it's just numbers, and we can write it on here. Okay, so there's 2 types of rules. If just numbers, the big stays the same. Okay, if it's numbers and letters, you're gonna multiply bigs and then add the little. I'm gonna say add the little first. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a second to write that down. If just numbers, the big stays the same and you add the little. Okay, if it's numbers and letters, multiply the bigs, add the littles. Okay? I like the crafts, crap. Where you get them?
Jenny's.
You got baby feet though. They don't ever have crafts my size.
They have, it's a small, it's a kids Jenny's and a Jenny's.
But no, I got big feet.
They do, they be having it at Finish Line.
She'll Carl has them.
Yeah, they have them at Finish Line.
They don't be having my size, I'm telling you.
No,
What size
actually
do you
they
wear?
do.
You
Yeah,
know,
actually.
like a Crocs without the thing, probably like 9.
They probably do. Did you look at Finish Line?
Bro, you got like, what is that, kid size 4 or 5?
So fine.
That's what I'm saying, yeah, don't be talking.
They have Crocs in my size.
I know, but like, most of the time they're only like black, white, or yellow. I already got black, white, and yellow.
Oh, my grandpa, he has camouflage.
I'm just writing all that down, where we're chit-chatting.
Oh.
No, didn't think so. Okay, so if we look at 11, does that only have numbers or numbers and letters?
Numbers.
It's got numbers. So the big stays the same. What is the big?
4.
4. And we add the littles. Okay, so it's going to be 4, and there's really a 1 right here, so it's going to be 1 plus negative 1. Did you guys get all that written down or no?
Yeah.
Okay, I can stop for now. These cases look solid. That's the pros, cause I doesn't hurt my ear. I like the soft, like the squishy, but my case is like double. Bro, I know. I might fit like 2 of them. You good? You sure? Okay. Okay, so 1 plus negative 1 is 0. What is 4 to the 0 power?
1.
1. Okay, 13. Does that have letters and numbers or just numbers? Just numbers. Okay, so it says you keep the big and you add the little ones together. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. It's going to be 2 to the 4. Okay, 15. Have letters and numbers or just numbers? Letters and numbers. So it says multiply the bigs, add the littles. So if we multiply the bigs, what are you going to get?
6.
Yeah, so 2 times 3 is 6. And we add up the little ones. So it's going to be 1 plus 2.
So 3.
Mm-hmm. So you're going to have 6k to the 3. Put your phone up. Okay, 17. We're gonna multiply the bigs, add the littles. So,
18.
yep, so it's really gonna be 3 times 2 times 3, okay? So you got 3 times 2 times 3, okay, and I'm just writing this one out, and it's gonna be 3 plus negative 4 plus negative 1, okay? 2 times 6 times 3, it's 18, and to the negative 2. Okay, and are we finished? Why not? Yeah, we got that negative, so we need to move it. Okay, so you're gonna have 18, and n to the 2 needs to go on bottom. Okay, 19. We're We're gonna multiply the bigs, add the littles. So what are the bigs? 4 and 4. Okay, so 4 times 4.
16.
Yep, so you got this one and this one, so you're gonna get 16. Okay, and we start adding up the littles. So I'm gonna have x to the 4th plus -4 plus 1. Y to the 4 plus 4, and I don't have a third one, so we just leave it at 2. Okay, so you're gonna have 16 x to the 1, y to the 8.